Yes, Angelina. Yes. Some more, some more. Okay, bar graph. Okay, good. So here, okay, good. So here we can start. Efren Joby, you are a new student, right? New admission.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So do you have the workbooks, textbooks and all?
No, ma'am.
You don't have it. Okay. So are you there in Kerala or somewhere else?
I'm in UAE.
Okay. So how you will learn then? How you will get the notes?
The teacher is sending.
Teacher will send it. Are you there in the group? 5C group?
Yes.
Oh, it's already added. Okay. So you can see that notes and all. Okay. So please write down the notes. When you are writing down, I will be sending the workbook exercises. When you are writing that one, you have to write the question also. Okay,
Okay.
as you don't have the workbook. So here we can do a quick revision of the last chapter which we learned.
Fruits and seeds.
Fruits and seeds.
Fruits and
Yeah, fruits and seeds. So Efren also can understand what is that chapter about, right? Okay, so tell me, Russell. So here I will ask question. Okay, today this is question answer session. Hmm? Okay, so let me ask you, Russell, give me example for oil seeds. Seeds that can be used as oil. Don't give answer. Everybody mute your audio. Those who are unmuting it without my permission and saying the answer, they will lose their 1 point. Okay. Those who know the answer, they can raise their hand. Okay, Russell.
Yes,
Example
ma'am.
for oil seed.
Ma'am, I don't know that.
You don't know the answer. So you did not learn it. Huh? Very pity. So who knows? Pooja. Pooja is ready to say the answer. Pooja. The mustard. Okay, good. Russell, are you remember about it? Huh? Did you hear the answer? No. So once again, who is ready to give that answer? Ahil. Ahil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
Coconut.
Coconut. Very simple answer now, Russell. This is the oil seed. Are you using coconut oil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you are eating that, but you don't know that it is an oil seed. Right? Okay. So here we can see mustard, coconut, and some more are there. Some more examples are there. I am not.
Sunflower seed.
See, without my permission, don't say the answer. And then Raj, you lost your 1 point. Okay. Huh? So this is to control your own yourself. So I will surely cut off the points. Here, mustard and coconut, I got the answer. And do anybody have other answer? Raise your hand. Those who know the answer, raise it. Prayag, yes, Prayag, tell me. One more example.
I'm olive.
Olive, olive seeds, olive oil. Okay, olive seeds.
Someone is waiting for the meeting.
Sorry?
Someone is waiting at the meeting.
Prinova, do you know the answer of this question?
Which is the question?
Because you are very much interested in other things. You are not interested in the class. You are not giving attention to the class.
I came only now.
Now
Ma'am,
only
I came now.
But you notice
Yes,
that
ma'am.
somebody is waiting, right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So mute
Yes.
your audio. So let me give answer. Sri Shankar.
Ma'am, sunflower seed.
Okay, sunflower seed. Anyone? Any other answer, Sri Shankar?
No.
No. Okay, Anandan Raj. Anandan Raj. Yes.
I tell Sri Shankar, tell.
Okay, okay. Which is that one? Which is that answer?
Sunflower seed.
Sunflower seed. Okay. Shreya. Yes.
Soybean oil. Soybean.
Almond oil. Okay. Vaiga, any other answer?
Soybean, ma'am.
It's not clear. Rice bran. Okay, rice bran oil. Okay, okay. So many groundnut oil, so many seeds. Groundnut, these all are oil seeds. Okay.
Soybean.
Soybean also, soybean oil.
We will eat.
Yeah, soybean seed also we can eat. We can extract, not we. There are options for taking, extracting oil out of it. So we have a variety of oil seeds. Am I right? So let me ask to Prinova. Prinova, here we discuss a variety of oil seeds. Can you tell me one example for oil seed? Give me one example of oil seed. Say it loud.
Sunflower seed.
Sunflower. Okay, sunflower seeds. Okay, good. So I hope everybody understood about oil seeds. Russell,
ma'am.
Russell,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear now? Ahil, if you have any doubt,
Ma'am,
please
from-
raise your hand. Don't directly unmute and don't ask it. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, from sunflower, how we get seeds?
How you will get seeds?
Yes.
That the sunflower, those are planting, those are cultivating the sunflower. They know some ideas about collection of seeds from out of it, right? See, likewise, how we are collecting the rice seeds, wheat seeds. So many processes are there. In the same way, the people will collect the sunflower seeds also. Next one, example for seeds that we can use it as spices. Who all know the answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. But I can ask to, okay, Prinova, tell me, Prinova.
Pepper.
Pepper, only pepper. No other, this one, spices. Only pepper, you know it. Siana,
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute, Angelina. Siana, can you give example for spices that can be, seeds that can be used as spices?
Mustard.
Mustard, okay, mustard and pepper. Prinova, so chance it's over. Siana, no answer. Advika, what about Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, example for spices.
Chili powder.
Chili powder is a spice that I know. Here we are discussing about the seeds that can be used as spices. Seeds, example for seeds which are used as spices. Mustard, pepper, like this example I got it from Prinova. And what about you? No answer.
Ma'am.
Vaiga?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Cumin.
So many spices are there, but some names only we learn. Mustard, pepper, like cumin, these all.
Ma'am, green.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ami?
green. Ma'am, green chili also. Green.
Green chili is a fruit, right? Chilies are fruit of that plant that contains the seed.
And
The
clove.
Clove
And
is
clove.
not a seed. It is the bud of that plant. Bud of that plant. Okay.
Clove
That is
is
the blood.
spice.
Bud.
Clove is spice.
Okay.
Clove we will use in curries.
Yeah, we will use it, but it is not a seed. Clove is a bud. You can, from the shape itself, you can see it is like a
Yes, ma'am.
flower bud. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Next
We
one.
have studied.
Okay. So, which are the seeds we are using as food? The seeds which we can use it as food. Avantika. Some students are thinking that it is not for them. These classes are not at all for them. Avantika,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me example for seeds that we can use it in our food.
Rice.
Rice, okay. Rice, what is the common name for that rice? I told a group name. Group name, rice, wheat, maize, this all comes under a group. How about Advika? Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the name of that group of seeds?
Cereals.
Cereals. Okay, cereals. Are you remembering this word?
Ma'am,
Okay, cereal.
Ma'am, then pulses.
Srishankar, 1 point. I will cut your 1 point. Okay.
Ma'am, not me.
Then
Aminuli.
And the
Amin,
sum only said, ma'am.
Ma'am, I asked only.
you asked what you asked, what you had asked.
Next one pulses only, right?
Spices. What?
Spice means one. Spice means one.
No spice. Pulse.
Pulse. Pulse means pulses. Pulses means it is the common name for a group of seeds. That means Bengal gram, green peas, green gram, different types of dal. These all are together called pulses. In that class, I showed you one slide, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. You
Yes,
sure?
cereals. Cereals means rice, wheat, maize, corn, barley, then oats. These all we can together called as cereals. And another one, pulses, different types of seeds that include Bengal gram. One beans, different types of beans, green peas, green gram. This all comes under urad dal. This all comes under pulses.
Excuse
Amin,
me,
is
ma'am.
it clear now? Amin, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay, Shreya, what you want?
Ma'am, what is the English word for moong dal? Moong.
Green gram, green colored gram.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
small seed, green colored, that is called moong.
But
Okay.
sometimes it is also seen as yellow.
Sorry?
Yellow.
Inside.
Moong.
Yeah. That is the, this one whole green gram. The green colored one is whole green gram. Some yellow colored dal like gram also we will get. Okay, green gram.
Okay, ma'am.
I know two more. Ma'am, what is chana, ma'am?
Chana is the Hindi word for Bengal gram. That is kadala. In Malayalam, we can use it as that word. Okay, so I think now it is clear.
Ma'am, I have two more spices.
You have? Okay, now you have that one. Okay.
Cumin seed and elakaya.
Cinnamon. Sorry, cardamom.
I
Okay,
have.
okay.
I have also.
Okay, 1 minute. I will show you Anandan Raj. Okay, show it. Anandan Raj. I can't see it, but
Yes, ma'am.
there you have to switch off the light behind you.
Ma'am, this is cumin seed.
Okay, you have sticked it. Okay. You
And then-
stick it in the paper. Okay. So let me show to Shreya. What do you have, Shreya?
Not, ma'am.
It is
I
not
don't
with you?
have any scissors and all.
Okay, it is not with you. Okay. Next one. So here we discussed about the examples of different types of seeds, right? Based on it, we can use variety of seeds. In here, let me ask you another question. The seeds which are dispersed by air, by wind. Example for seeds that are dispersed by wind. Abhishek, some are sitting very comfortably without raising hand. Yes, Abhishek. Give me example for seeds that can disperse by wind. You are not learning?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not saying the answers? Yes, Sri Shankar.
Ma'am, apple.
Apple. Okay.
Apple.
Maple seeds. Then
Daffy or something. Daffia. Tell that
1
will
minute.
fly.
Okay, Sri Shankar. Amen. Dandelion. Okay, dandelion, maple. Any other examples? Any other examples?
Harta, like
Sorry?
Milkweed.
Milkweed. Okay, milkweed. These all are some of the examples of seeds that are dispersed by wind. So here,
Ma'am.
tell me the
Ma'am.
answer. Yes, Angelina.
is dandelion seed Apupantadi?
Yeah, that also
Yeah, that
I
will
told
fly.
you.
Yeah, that only I was going to tell that.
Okay. Now you learn. Now you understood, right? What is the word for that one? Sri Shankar. Okay. So repeat that word.
Da,
Dandelion.
dandelion.
Okay,
Dandelion.
dandelion seeds. Okay. Next one. What is the features? What is the speciality of these seeds? What is the
Ma'am?
speciality of these seeds that help them to disperse by wind? Yes, who can say that? That is not there in the workbook, but I am making it as a special question. Amin, okay, Amin. Yes.
Some seeds are carried away by the wind.
Okay, that I understood. See, here we discuss some examples, right? These examples are these seeds are dispersed by wind. What is the characteristics of these seeds that help them to disperse in wind? That is what I want to see. Yes, Angelina?
They are lightweight and have structures like wools, like wings,
Ah.
to float in the air.
Okay, very good answer. They all are light-weighted seeds. Friend, these seeds are all light-weighted. They have the wings. Some of the seeds have wing-like structure, like maple seeds. And some of the seeds have some hairy structures that help them to float in air, that can glide through the air. Next question. Ronita, give me example for seeds that are dispersed by water. Very silly question. Dispersed by water. Prayag. Just think about it. Next question comes to you. Huh? Ronita, any idea?
Ma'am, Ephraim can say
Yes, Ephraim. Very good.
lotus seed.
Yeah, very good. See, Ephraim also today only, I think today only you joined this class, right? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
very good. Give a good clap to Ephraim. So here lotus is there. Another one, Royce. Royce, can you say another example for seed that can disperse by water? Dispersed by water. Royce? No idea. Huh? So Anandan Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Coconut seed.
Coconut seed, lotus seed. These only we learned, right? There are so many different types of
Apple
seeds.
seed is there. Apple
Sorry?
seed. Apple seed.
Apple seeds are dispersed by human beings or birds, creatures.
Ma'am, lily seeds.
Lily seeds. Lily seeds, it is not the seeds of the lilies are planted. That is the stem of the seed. The stem of that plant is, we are planting it. Okay. So next question. Vinayak, tell me some example for seeds that are dispersed by explosion. Dispersed by explosion. Vinayak. See, some are raising their hand, but some are just sitting quietly. Vinayak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you
Ma'am.
See, those are unmuting without my permission. We lost 1 point. Ahil is going to. Okay, next one. Joel. Give me
Yes,
example.
ma'am.
Yes, give me example for seed that dispersed by explosion. Explosion. That is explosion. No. Abhishek. Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Give me the answer. Tell me the seeds. Yes, here I can.
Lady finger.
Yeah, lady finger. Yes. Why you have doubt? Any other example?
Cotton.
Cotton seeds. Yes. Then
Then I don't
common
know.
example. Yes, Anandan Raj.
And seeds and fire like kidney beans
Beans.
and all.
Beans.
Yes. Channa
Beans.
and kidney.
Excuse me.
Channa.
Macadal and all.
No.
Excuse me, ma'am.
These are not
Yes.
explosion.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I mean
Mustard.
mustard. Okay. You want to say the answer. Mustard. Cotton seed. Please go ahead.
Soil.
Sorry.
Ma'am, what about corn?
Corn is not by explosion.
Ma'am, how it is this person?
It's a dispersal that is by human being. That seed we have to plant it. We have to germinate that one. Okay. That is not by.
Okay, ma'am.
So next one, let me see one more example. So these all are about the dispersal, right? So let me ask you one question. Why do we use most of the fruits as food? Shivagayatri, why do we use
Ma'am?
most of the fruits as food?
It is fleshy,
Ah,
nutrient rich.
it is fleshy.
Fleshy and nutrient rich.
Okay, it is fleshy, tasty, nutrient rich. That
Nutrient
is
rich.
why all are using this as a food. Next
Food.
question. What is germination? Royce, very simple question. I will ask only simple question to Royce. Royce, unmute your audio. What is germination? Unmute it. Have you completed the note, Royce?
Aminos.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, completed. So tell me, what is germination?
Germination means
Ah,
seed will grow.
seed will grow. Very good. Seed will grow. Seed will grow into
Flowers and plants.
flower. Seed will directly produce flower. Seed will directly produce flower. I showed one video. In that video, you saw. Okay. Okay, I am happy that you know something about that portion. Vinayak, please help Roy.
I can.
The process of seed by a seed grow into plant.
Okay, the process by which a seed grows into a new plant. That is called germination. Okay, Royce, repeat after me. Repeat it. Royce. Yes, the process. Tell me. The process
The process
by which
by which
a seed
a seed
grows into a plant.
grows into plant.
That process is called, what is the name of that process? Germination. So Ronita will tell that answer. Ronita, what is germination?
Ma'am, I can.
1 minute, Amin. What is germination? Ronita.
The process
The process. Tell it fast.
I mean, can
1 minute. Angelina, Zaim, Aditi, Prayag, their all videos are closed. So let me, Siana, do you know the answer, Siana? No. So Russell, tell it. First I started with Russell.
Germination is the question.
Yes, that is the question.
Ma'am, a seed, that time when seed is growing to a plant.
That is called germination. Huh? The
Ma'am,
process.
can I tell?
Yes, Ahil.
The process by which a seed grows into a new plant.
Okay, the process by which a seed turns into a plant, new plant, that is called germination. Okay, so Ronita and somebody
Royce.
I asked, no? Okay,
Royce.
right.
And Royce.
Rasil and Ronita write it in 5 times.
Ma'am, Royce.
Okay.
Royce also.
Okay, Rasil and Ronita write it 5 times. Next question. Next question. Next question. Why do we use different types of seeds as our food? Why do we use different types of seeds as our food? Who can say the answer? Raise your hand. First. Russell know the answer.
Can a friend say?
Uh, 1 minute. Okay, Afrin. Tell it. Afrin.
We need different types of seed to get the same amounts of nutrients and proteins.
Okay, that is correct. That is correct. But my question is, why do we use the seeds as our food? Huh? What is there in the seed that by which we can use it as a food?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Treya.
It has food in it, ma'am.
It has.
Food inside it.
Okay, that is what I want to ask to Russell. Okay, Russell, say me
Sorry,
the
ma'am.
answer.
I didn't hear.
Say me the answer.
Can you tell?
It's store food inside.
Okay, they store
Ma'am.
seeds have food stored inside. That is why.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you wait for 1 minute because I need to put my chart.
You need to. Okay.
And can
Okay. Okay.
Then-
So
Sorry,
these
ma'am.
are.
I said that answer.
Okay,
Sorry.
from where do sprouts get the food to grow into a plant? I showed some sprouts, right?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Do these sprouts have roots? The sprouts, these sprouts have their roots? No. Then also they can grow it into a plant, baby plant. Okay. So from where do the sprouts get the food to grow into a plant? Say, Jovel. Jovel. I didn't get any answer from Jovel today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. From where do these sprouts get the food to grow into a plantlet?
From water, air.
Who can say this answer?
Can you tell?
1 minute. Yes, Ahil, give me that answer.
Sprout use the food inside the seed to grow planting.
Okay, all the seed contain food inside. In the video, cotyledons are there, right? I showed it, right? So all the seed contain food stored in it. Using that food, the seeds can grow it into sprouts. Okay. After they began to sprout, when they grows into roots and shoots, they need sunlight, water, nutrients, these all things. These all essential things. Okay, so this much is all about this chapter. Some important points we had discussed it. Now, some more are there. Seeds having one. Fruits carry one seed. Fruits carry many seeds. I think these all are very easy one. So next class you can expect a class test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn
Ma'am, you
from
will
one.
Ma'am, like spelling test.
This chapter, fruits and seeds.
Ma'am, like spelling
and
test.
you will send the message
Ma'am,
in the
spelling
WhatsApp.
test.
No, you learn question answer, one word, fill in the blanks, match the following, everything you have to learn. So
Yes,
read
ma'am.
the
Is that
textbook
in
also.
oral?
That all I can't say, but you should be ready for any type of test. Okay.
Okay.
So let me
Excuse
okay,
me, ma'am.
Efren,
Excuse me,
Efren.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, today will be class test. Another science period is
So today one more science period. No. Today I can't do it. Next day. Okay, next day.
Ma'am,
So
last period is
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear
ma'am.
students.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank